Has your Gmail account been hacked? Don't panic. In this quick guide, I'll show you the step-by-step process to recover your hacked Gmail account and secure it from future attacks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to google.com/accounts/recovery. This is Google's official account recovery page. Enter your Gmail address and click Next. Google will then ask you some questions to verify your identity. To confirm that you are the rightful owner, choose a recovery method: a text message, phone call, or recovery email. If you don't have access to any of these, follow the Try Another Way option for more recovery methods. Once you verify your identity, Google will prompt you to create a new password. Make sure your password is strong, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Next to save your new password. Now that you've regained access, it's important to secure your account. Enable two-step verification and check for any suspicious activity in the security section of your Google account settings. Congratulations! You've successfully recovered your hacked Gmail account. To prevent future attacks, always use a strong password and enable two-step verification. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching,